All right, welcome back, my dear students. So I decided to create a little project here so that you can learn a little more about using CodeIgniter, right? We have the foundation. Why not build something really cool, right? So let's go ahead and build a login system, all right? Then maybe later on we can extend that to something else. But I guarantee you that I'll give you the knowledge to do that, all right? To do the extending, to do the um, creation of other applications with this login system that we are going to be creating. With all the knowledge you are learning here, you're going to be creating any application you want, all right? But anyway, so what do we do? What do we need to create a project we call Igniter? Well, first of all, we need some files, right? We need some HTML, some CSS templates or something like that, right? So the best way to actually do that is by downloading a template or a framework for HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS has a really good framework called Bootstrap, which I have a course on, but you're going to be learning some of it here. All right, Bootstrap is a framework that will allow us to use a lot of already made styles for buttons, for sliders, and it's a whole bunch of other things. If you don't know what Bootstrap is, it's really good to go to their website and find out. But I have a course on it, which is really cheap, and we give you the foundation. But you go to their website, Bootstrap, here, download their framework. That's what we're going to be doing right now. So I'm going to click download, and then we're going to download the compiled and minified version of it, meaning that it's going to be so compressed that we won't be able to edit it. But I really don't want to edit it. I already know what I need, right? For those of you that want to edit the stuff, you can play around with it like this. So let's go to our project that we have been working on, the CI. And here, right in the same level as application, I'm going to create another folder called, and let me just make this so that way you can see it better. Hey, we are in that folder, right? Let's create this folder called assets. All right, this is where we're going to be putting our CSS and JavaScript. So I'm going to drag Bootstrap into assets. All right, I'm going to unzip it. I'm going to delete that zip file. Here I'm going to create two more folders, CSS and one called JS. All right, and that's in assets. Okay, now actually Bootstrap had one, but I don't need everything from Bootstrap. Also, it's very useful to have this fonts folder. I'm gonna drag it in there. So what I want from the CSS folder is, this is the Bootstrap one. I want Bootstrap that when it comes to actually structuring this. All right. But anyway, I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.